A spacious 4+2 bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within the Brockridge community of East Pickering. Welcome to 1641 Major Oaks Road. A premium corner property, 3-vehicle parking in the extra-wide driveway complements the 2-car garage, and the front yard is landscaped with shrubs, perennial gardens, and stone interlocking. While through the glass-enclosed mudroom are double doors with decorative glass inserts that open into a foyer and reception area brightened by chandeliers, while bevel-edged mirrors on accent walls enhance the spaciousness felt upon entry. To the left is the entry into the formal living and dining rooms, both finished with hardwood flooring and baseboards. Very generously sized and open to each other, these entertaining spaces are filled with light through a bay window and an accent window, while an exquisite semi-flush light fixture in the living room, as well as a gorgeous chandelier in the dining area, cast an ambient glow throughout. There are also French door entries into the kitchen and from the foyer, and both rooms showcase crown moldings as the elegant finishing touch. Ceramic flooring, crown moldings, and decorative trim work are showcased throughout the reception hall and foyer, off of which is a laundry room with a mirrored door double closet, front-load washer and dryer, and access to the side yard, a private home office with hardwood flooring, built-in desk and cabinetry, and a chandelier, as well as a powder room with an elegant vanity light and an updated stone-topped vanity. An inviting space for casual entertaining, the family room features hardwood flooring, a corner fireplace, pot lighting, crown moldings, and 2 large windows for natural brightness, while a huge wall cutout finished with a stone ledge gives it an openness to the kitchen and breakfast areas. Through garden doors off the breakfast area is a huge sunroom with east, west, and south-facing windows, as well as 4 skylights, flooding the space with an abundance of natural light that also spills into the kitchen area and the family room. Featuring a walkout onto a deck that steps down to a fully fenced backyard with trees, garden beds, a storage shed, and a patio area, the sunroom additionally features a tiled floor, a gas stove, ceiling panel lights, and a fan, as well as plenty of space for entertaining and personal enjoyment. For added brightness, the kitchen area has ceiling panel lights and pendant lighting, and this well-lit working space also showcases ceramic flooring, stone counters, a glass and stone tiled mosaic backsplash, a stainless steel extra-wide undermount sink, and appliances including a 2-drawer French door fridge, oven with gas cooktop, and a built-in dishwasher. While the exceptional storage offered by its white cabinetry includes 2 wall pantries, with one pantry having glass-paneled upper cabinets with glass shelves and mirrored accents. Carrying to the upper level is a curved staircase, its hardwood railing showcasing ornamental wrought iron pickets. The plush broadloom finishing the staircase is continued throughout the upper hall, which is open to the foyer below, while chandeliers above the staircase and the foyer, as well as a second-story window, bring both natural and artificial brightness to the hallway. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are spacious, bright, and feature closets with mirrored sliding doors, and all 3, as well as the master bedroom, are finished with hardwood flooring. Shared amongst the secondary bedrooms is the main washroom, which has tiled finishes throughout, a vanity with contemporary lighting, a mosaic tiled backsplash, and updated with a stone counter and undermount basins, as well as a shower area with sliding glass doors and mosaic tiled accent borders. Through a double-door entry is the incredibly spacious master suite. This exceptional personal retreat has a 5-piece ensuite washroom that provides access to a spacious walk-in closet, and which also showcases tiled finishes throughout, a water closet, a step-up shower area and a soaker tub, as well as a vanity with elegant lighting, a makeup vanity, and an updated stone counter with undermount basins. As a fantastic addition to the bedroom, through a set of French doors is a sunken private sitting room featuring hardwood flooring, a vaulted ceiling with a chandelier, and a corner gas stove for cozy warmth. This home also comes with a great opportunity for rental income, as the lower level is a self-contained suite with a separate private entrance and features 2 bedrooms, a 4-piece washroom, its own laundry area, a kitchen, a recreation room, as well as a separate room for a home office, which can also be a 3rd bedroom if need be. A short walk to Valley Farm Public School, Major Oaks Park, the Valley Farm Ravine, and public transit. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.